little friends, it's prayer time soon. Let's do wudu under the moon. Wash your hands left and right, rub them clean so fresh and bright. Noor is here, she'll guide you through, step by step what we must do. Wudu wudu step by step, clean our hearts, don't forget. If we miss we try again, Noor will help us till the end. Rinse your mouth, swirl it slow, clean your nose, let water go. Noor is smiling, good job, you're near. Keep going on, your wudu is clear. Wash your face from top to chin, let the water softly spin. Clean and fresh, feel so light. Noor is cheering, that's just right. Now your arms, right and left, wash them well, do your best. From hand to elbow, clean and true. Noor is guiding everything you do. Wipe your head, gentle touch, just once over, not too much. Clean your ears inside and out, Noor says that's what wudu's about. Wash your feet, don't forget, left and right, get them wet. Oops, I missed a step. That's okay, you're not done yet. Try again, you're learning new. Now your wudu is fresh and true. Wudu wudu, now we're clean, ready for prayer, calm and serene. Noor is proud we did it right. Let's go pray with hearts so light.